Hello, today I will review about a text with the title Paper Recycling. There are 5 points on it. The first one is about a paper is different with plastic and metal because papers come from the tree, and in Australia a paper comes from waste paper and the rest of it comes from virgin fibers from the forest. And the government in Australia also encourage waste paper collection and sorting scheme on the same time. So they uh, they develop the paper industry by using new technology. And for the second point is about to recycling waste paper containing ink, like a newspaper, notebook. They need sophisticated technology because the paper with the paper which containing by ink uh, is more difficult to recycle because the ink has been absorbed in it, so they need more money to make a new technology. And for the third point is about types of paper that can be recycled, and it can be recycled and which are cannot be recycled. And the paper that cannot be recycled, uh, like a book or permanent records and etc. And for paper from the office, like a newspaper, it usually disposed of, or maybe someone will buy it to recycling it. And for the fourth topic is about the paper recycling process. If paper has been collected, the paper will be divided according to its types. And because some paper can only made from particular kind, like a printed waste paper, it only can recycle to make gray colors product, like for make cardboard cardboard boxes. But if they want to make it white, they need to add soap, detergent, bleaching agents. But before it can be made into a paper, they must be refined in such a way they bond together. For the fifth point is about uh, the advantage and disadvantage of paper recycling. And for the advantage of paper recycling, it can save energy, like it can save the tree. And for the disadvantage of paper recycling is it's a use of fossil fuels, non-renewable energy sources, and the quality of paper from recycling process is not too good. But although like that, the paper recycling is an important economical and environmental principle, but which must be carried out in a rational and valuable manner for it to be useful to both industry manufacturing and the industry and that's all about the paper recycling in Australia. Unlike in Indonesia, there are no paper recycling industry because people in Indonesia use use waste paper to they use it to food wrap, packaging, or many of them burn it to like light traditional stuff. Even if there are people who recycles the paper, they only blend it, add water, add water and add glue to make a craft. Because the lack of technology in Indonesia, there are a lot of illegal logging, so they cut the tree and it's make and it's impact on disaster. Okay, I think that's all about the paper recyclings, and goodbye.